Hello guys, Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan any QR code that you can see from establishments, from websites, and from your mobile devices. So we have here our Google Pixel 2 XL and the Samsung Galaxy S8, and we'll look at how they are different when they scan QR codes in this iPad. So we have here a sample QR code that will lead us to the website of Sydney CBD Repair Center, which is the www.sydneycbd.repair. So let's try first how you can scan this QR code using your Google Pixel 2 XL or any Google device that you can get directly from Google. So all you have to do is, as always, it is built in the camera, and all you have to do is to open the camera app. So right here, the camera, we're not gonna take a photo of the QR code, but we're gonna use the lens feature of the camera. So you can see that the Google camera is packed with a lot of features: the panorama, photosphere, slow motion, time-lapse, playground, and lens. So this is the first, the pre-installed camera app. It's not what you get from the Google Play Store. It's only for Pixel devices and Google supported devices. So we use Lens. In Lens, it's using artificial intelligence and machine learning to decipher what it is seeing. So it's as if we are taking a photo of the QR code, and you can see that it identified that the QR code will lead to sydneycbd.repair. You can go to the website, you can copy the URL, or you can share this to any messaging platform that you have. So if we go directly to the website, it will go to a browser and show you the actual site. So that's simple. So you have to wait for it to load the website. And let's move on to the Galaxy S8. How the Samsung Galaxy S8, this old device, deciphers or processes QR codes. So when you have a Galaxy S8 and you have updated it to the latest firmware, or the operating system is updated to the latest version, you can just go to the settings. It's usually here. You go to the second page of the quick settings, and you can see that you have a QR scanner built into the settings. So all you have to do is to tap on it, and immediately it identifies the QR code as Sydney CBD Repair link. So all you have to do is to try it again and be quick to react and tap here. And same with the Google Pixel 2 XL, it will lead you to a browser and go to the link that it represents. So that's two different approaches. So what if you have a different phone, like a Vivo or an Oppo, or some model that doesn't have a QR code scanner built into the camera or the settings? Well, you can go to the Google Play Store and download an app. If you have an iOS device, you can also download an app, and then you can use that app the same way we use the QR code from Google Pixel 2 XL and Samsung Galaxy S8. So let's try that again. So you open the app, you point it flat, and immediately it identifies the website. So either you share it or you open it. If you open it, same thing, it will lead you to a browser and show you the website. So not all QR codes are leading to a website. are leading to downloadable content, downloadable apps, or any resources that you can find and share online. So this is a special QR code for Sydney CBD repair that we generated using the QR code generator. So hope this is helpful for you guys. When you travel, when you see a QR code, you either install an app or use a feature that is built into your device to decipher and to identify what the QR code is representing. So like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center channel. And till next time, guys, cheers.